Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today we are making Mumbai style tawa pulao. So I have taken a kadhai and now I'm going to put butter. This tawa pulao is made in butter. Okay, Amul butter. Okay, my butter is hot and now I'm going to put asafoetida, hing, half a teaspoon of asafoetida, and my curry leaf powder. Let it heat up a bit, and now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of jeera. Let the jeera splutter, and then we are going to put 4 sliced onions. Now we will fry this till they are little translucent, and then we will put our ginger garlic paste. So let's fry this till they are transparent, around 3 to 4 minutes. A pinch of salt, a little bit, half teaspoon, so that our onions will cook fast. Time our onions are frying, this is a paste I have made. This is around 4 dry red chilies, and along with that I have taken 2 tablespoons of garlic and I have made it into a smooth paste. This is our main masala. Onions are a little translucent, the way I want. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and then we are going to fry this till the raw smell of ginger garlic goes and the onion should be a little light golden brown. Let's mix this. This is how our onions are looking now, and I had to put a 1 teaspoon of water, a very little water, because my masala was sticking to the kadhai. So now it's good, and now we are going to fry the red paste that we have made with red chili and garlic. This red chili can be anything. You can take Kashmiri chili or a Bedgi chili. Dry red whole chilies you have to take around 3 to 4. Soak them in water for some time, and then after that with 2 tablespoons of garlic, chopped garlic, you have to make it a smooth paste. And now we are frying this till it releases its oil. Let's cover this and cook it for 5 minutes till our oil releases. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, and let's mix up our masala properly. It has released some oil, and now we are going to add our vegetables. Let's add carrots. I have taken around 4 to 5 medium carrots and I have diced them into square. Then I am taking corn and around half a cup of corn, and I have also taken 2 capsicum. And you can also add French beans, that is optional if you like French beans. And let's mix all the vegetable in this masala, and we are going to cook these vegetables, but we are not going to overcook them. We will cover with a lid and cook them till they are half cooked. So don't overcook them. And now we will also add our pav bhaji masala, 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, and we will also add little bit of salt. We have already added salt, so we don't need to add much. 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala and half a teaspoon of salt. Pav bhaji masala and all these things, spices, you can adjust as per your taste, the consistency, how spicy you want. And now we are mixing this, and we will cover this with a lid and cook it till the vegetables are cooked. We still need to add tomatoes, but we'll add tomatoes later. Okay, it's been like 4 minutes. I've just taken out the lid now, and I'll be adding my tomatoes. I have chopped around 3 tomatoes for this. This tawa pulao basically has all the ingredients that more or less that pav bhaji that we make has. So now let's cook this again, and after that we will add our rice. So our vegetables are half cooked, and I have tasted them. They are crunchy, they are not overcooked. So now at this point we will add our rice. So we have cooked this white rice, and now we are adding this. It's 1 cup rice. We will add as per we want, as per the vegetables. We'll mix them and we'll see. I'm going to add my sliced potatoes. I have sliced them and fried them separately, and I'm going to now cover this rice with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, so now let's mix it. I have taken out the lid. It's been 5 minutes and now our tawa pulao Mumbai style is all ready to serve. You can put lemon juice, half a lemon juice if you want. I have not put. And now we will plate it, and before that we'll garnish it with coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot and try in your kitchen and let me know if you like it. Until next time, it's bye from Dipali. See you soon.